Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Welcome. Well, I spoke on an issue the other day about a adult child living in his parents' house. And hey, what's up? How you doing? Top of the morning, my dear. Top of the morning. Are you a Jamaican? If you're a Jamaican, happy Independence Day. Where are you from? So I spoke about an issue the other day about this is a man living in his parents' house, very disobedient, going against his parents' rule. And they gave him an ultimatum. And I spoke about it at length. Now, a friend of mine, she heard about it and she called me. And she's saying that the parents should, the parents should get an apartment for him and pay for at least 6 months. Hmm? No, seriously. The parents have a house that they're paying mortgage for. The boy has his own little room and what have you. One child. You think it really fair now for the parents because of his disobedience? They must go fork out money now for go rent apartment, put him and pay for 6 months. Anything can go so? Now you have one picnic. So obviously that one child is going to get everything that you have. And it's just disobedient. Things that he's not even supposed to be doing, he's doing. It's not like the parents getting in his way and want to take over my life and rule him. Them just a guide him. And him decide now, say, him a go in a car, go sleep at night time at the people in Gateway. For no reason at all, just to create embarrassment. And now this woman I got say, the parents should put him in a, get an apartment for him and pay for at least 6 months. Where the backside the people them figure waste money for? Eskimo have money in buy fridge. Wait, what? Hey, how you doing? Um, yes, this don't make no sense. Tell me, this is a grown man, 24, going 25, 26, so. And you're saying to me, thanks for that subscription. And you're saying to me, no, this woman and this man must take up their money now after they have house for this boy and I rent them a pay. Them have a house for this picnic. Everything them possible. Them picnic get love, in get care, in get attention, in get everything. But just damn spoiled. It must be. In take up himself now, got they in a car, a street side, asleep at night time. No, and then the parents must take up their money and go. You think all that the woman they have sense? No, seriously, she have any form of conscious thoughts if she really believe that the parents should rent an apartment and put him on his foot, basically put him on his feet. Oh, you mean put him on his feet? And you already have him on his feet. Every piece of furniture where him having a for him room, I them buy it. So they must go rebuy for what? For what? Because them a try save him from him own self. And from him own self, them a try save him, Mighty God, how much more can parents bear? Hmm? You have my mother say, when them young, them tangle your foot, and when them old, them tangle your heart. And let me tell you something, man. Some of them really tangle your heart, you know. Some of these kids, them really and truly tangle your heart, you know. Because what them do to you and not care, it's like they have you wrap up your heart, you know, want something, and just wring every blood out of it. Seriously? Seriously? She really think, me tell you, some of them parents, yeah, them buy them picnic love. Them buy them love. So every little foolishness the picnic them come with. And when the picnic them throw a tantrum, vex with them, not talk to them, go about them business, they don't know what them there. Them sit down and they worry and they fret and then call them and them say, well, okay, what you want? No. And that's how it go. They are grown people. They are grown and they want to be treated as adults, you know. Because first thing them tell us that them are big people. But they're not behaving and acting like adults. No, I don't believe that this lady, no way, shape, or form, should take up her money and rent no apartment and put this boy. No, she have a house where him not pay rent, him not contributing. All he needs to do, them tell him, is just go to school. Go to school and get yourself a sound education in this America. Yeah. Eh? Then tell him, say, well, okay, buy either a piece of land. He had enough money at one stage. Then say, all right, get one piece of land. You can join the housing company there and buy something. Have something in come America, go on like America belong to him. And in a sensible enough, you see, wow, go on. You're there for 20, 30, 40 years, and it not take nothing for them tell us if you go home at your yard. Go home, you know, Banya. Go home to your yard. And him now fought upon the people them to get one little piece of something for himself in a for him barn land. Because 20, 30 years from now, everybody maybe have to take up them bungle and find them respective barn place. That's how America run. You understand me? I saw America run. What is this? I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. The picnic them, me I tell you. The picnic them heart rending. Them heart rending. Them no care. Them no have no love. And then they spin around upon you, you know. When you start to show them, say, no, this cannot work. Them spin it around upon you and say, you don't love them. Because now, when they say that, them know it going to hurt you deep within. So you are going to find everywhere in your possible way now to prove to them that you love them. If you want to sit down and see what all I have given to you, and you don't care if I love you or not, no picnic not frighten me. Me tell parents must make them. Me said the lady said she not make him hold her at ransom. She not doing it. She's not doing it one backside, and she's not going to have it. It is terrible. It is terrible when you see how you sacrifice. You know how many persons I may talk, mother and father, like, but more so mothers. Sacrifice for them picnic, give up them all, put them career aside, just to make sure so them picnic safe, and them don't care. They don't have no love in them heart. Because them feel say you owe them. You know owe them nothing after them reach 18. That is what them need to understand. After them reach 18, you don't owe them a backside. Government say them are big people and them themselves say them are big people. So you tell me no, where you can owe them? What can you owe them if they are adults? They must go work. Me I work before me reach 18. Working before I reach 18 years old. They must go work. 2 weeks after me graduate from secondary school, me find myself in a one canteen. I work, wash plate and clean off table. You hear me tell you? Some of them you can't even put that to them because they now go do it. It below their standard. And some of them can't even spell their name properly. But they're not going to do it because they go to school. You send them go to school and then waste them time. You get me? The only difference with this one, yeah, he never waste no time. He shake up in follow grounds before him graduate from school. You get me? But may I tell you, me no know how much more the 2,000 picnic them. You know how much of them me know, no chat to them. For years, me have one friend. For her son, no chat to her over 3 years now. Nothing the woman, no do the boy. Nothing. Nothing at all. And then just get up one day and begs with the mama. What more you can do? What more can parents do? We have stop spoil them. When we say it now go so, it means that them now it's not going to go like this. Them must give when them reach 18, them for sure why we must spend the money on them. They are to show us. So if them for go college, them for go college, and if them a pussyfoot around, no. Make them go find them way out. Let them go and find them way out. And only we Caribbean people are powder them. Have them in our yard until they reach 30. Then cock up in a house now and do nothing. Make them come out. Them need to come out. Come out and go help yourself. You understand me? And when you help them, when you try to protect them from this world, and so take your time and learn the world. Hey, because this a world you wicked, you know. And when you try to tell them, say you hold on pan them, and you treat them like you them a what? I mean, one day tell them, mama say, she a treat him like what? She a grow him like girl. She a grow him like girl. You try to protect them and tell them because them don't know. Them don't know. Young but no storm. You try to tell them, show them how to navigate this wicked world. No. Then and when nothing drop on their foot, them a run come to parents. Them a run come to parents. Because they cannot manage it because they don't have the experience. Because it says experience teaches wisdom. So after you out in the world and understand the world, when you see trouble come, you know to angle it. And know to dodge it and know to run. Them no know to do that. And them say them big, so you have to make them go and go do them thing. And go and go. You fool. Them fool. A wise man learn from his mistake. But a wiser man learn from other person's mistake. And that's what they don't understand. Them not understand it one bit. So you have to learn from other people's mistake. Me wish to God, my father take up himself, you know. My father is a wicked man. My father take up himself. You understand me? Left Jamaica when me in my late teens with 4 other siblings. 2, 3 others. And this man go Canada. And the old wicked wife we have. She tell him before me understand that yes, she's going to file for us. And of course she started the process. And you see the minute she get the man, she said to hell with them. To hell with the pitney them, and my father no Hannah balls, fee him balls cut out. And him never stand up on him foot and say, me want me pitney them. If me not get me pitney them, me either go back to Jamaica or me I left you now. The woman take him and she pin him and she twist him. And every penny when work, in carry it go give her. And she never send $1 and give us. Never. Me had 3 other little sisters below me. Young, 13, how much teen. And she never one day yet. So let me send $100. That time my mother want it like how dry peas on fire. You hear me tell you? And none of us no grow up and say, we ate him. Me did kind of eat my father for a while, but me forget about him now. Me forget about him. And me live for see, and me same sister, of in Canada, she reached Canada without any help from him. And as she same one, he's sick on him behind, and she have to help him. And the wife a call me now, say me, if he send money come, me, after this man in Canada work for 20 odd or 30 odd years. When pension there. And we not get no help. And we come help ourselves. And them, you pave the way for them. So that them now have to drop and creep up them knee and bruise up them ankle. You pave the way for them. And these children don't appreciate it. They don't. They don't appreciate it. They want to see you, the last penny where you have in a bank, you have to take you out and give them. Take out your heart. You already give them your heart, you know. And they want you to scrape out everything, your lungs, your liver, every internal organ. You must take out and give them and left yourself so. Wicked picnic them. These children, I'm telling you, the 2000, they pick, anyone who want to picnic about 2000? Anyone who want to have any picnic about 2000? Because I tell you then, dangerous aya. These 2000 children, they are dangerous set of children. Dangerous, man. Under God's heaven. Why the lady for work her money, she and her husband, when she wanted to save? The people there soon reach retirement. Because they have him when they're old. And when she for save, fear for not tell her, say, take apartment, pay for your apartment fee. For what? For what? And these same people work hard. You come seeing people working, people work from morning till night. So much so, the little boy did say he wanted to be a doctor. And after him see his mother, they work until hours from morning. He say no bother with that, because the mother work into a medical field. He say no bother with the doctor business, because they work too hard. So him, born come seeing people, them work hard. Enough Christmas, him father they work. Can't even have Christmas dinner with them. Just to make him have a decent life. You don't have to go to school without lunch money. You don't have to go to school without your school books. You don't have to go to school wanting of anything. You don't have to hear people and knock on your door and your mother and your father run and hide because they can't pay rent. You don't have to see light people come cut off light on you. You don't have to have big water next door. A little decent life. Hi, how you doing? How you doing, Nina? Welcome. Just a little fairly decent life. Because them not rich. The people them not rich. Then just live a little fairly decent life. And that's what they want for him. And him no want that. He no look like him comfortable with that. Because he couldn't be comfortable with that and take up himself. Gone a street side asleep. Gone a street side asleep. For bring down embarrassment upon the people them in America. And in a barn and come from here. You know, she say it's a damn shame. It's a damn shame. It's a crying shame. You understand me? If anything should happen to him now, what is the first thing people are going to say now? Because them not know the story. You're going to hear them say, him parents put him out. And that them all say. Because when you hear things on the news, everybody start to form them own opinion. You don't know the story, but you start to talk how we go. Shame him want the people them. Shame might bring down upon the people them. For no reason at all. All because they care. Care for him. Because you think if them never love him, they might try to tell him, say, listen, cut out this damn smoking. Come and let me get you clean. It can be done. It's an addiction. What you're doing is not safe. And that causes a problem. And that causes a problem. It causes vexation until eventually it bring embarrassment. It gone out of the house now. Because when people there, when you think people not see you in America, then they through them window peep on you, Because me think of Caribbean people alone fast or Jamaica, because at Jamaica me used to. And me think of them alone fast, But you realize that everywhere you go, people are people. And then damn fast. So when you think the people not see your business, they must see it and know it. So when they are cock then you through them window and see this boy as every night in a car. Them already a farm. And them see the husband and the wife a drive out a morning time. Driving out in the mornings. Them already a farm. What happened in that house? Them own idea. Them already tell themselves what go on in there. Embarrassment, man. Real embarrassment for the people. It's not right. It's not right at all. Aye, I tell you. How is everybody? Good morning. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate it. Yeah, but them pitney man. And pull your heartstring. Mother that said them pull by your heartstring. Me don't know why. Let me tell you. You see them adult children? Them hard to deal with them when they're young. Yeah? Yeah, man. When them young, them easier. You really think when you have them, you think so when them young, then get trouble. Them a big old one, yeah? Big old boy and big old girl, and give more problem. Them give more problem. And the adults want them than the babies. More problem. I'm telling you, it's a damn shame. It's a shame. Anyway, I thank you guys for listening. I don't know, make them manipulate, Don't make them spin, Them pick me, because them know what them do. They know what they're doing. So, make them come in our house, come dictate to you. Them are big people. Go make them go fend for themselves, because of that them want. All right, then. Take care. Bye.